Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a recipe from HelloFresh. This is their no-brainer grain salad. I recently switched to the vegetarian meals, so I've been getting a lot of really unique salads that otherwise I probably wouldn't have thought to make, which is one of my favorite things about this company. I'm always making something new and different, and it's always so good. So here are all the ingredients. Once I take everything out of the bag, I always prep them first. So I'm going to wash my vegetables, dice them up, whatever it says to do on the recipe card. Preheated my oven to 400 degrees because we're going to need to roast some of the vegetables. So I added my onion and butternut squash. Adding some olive oil, seasoning with salt and pepper. Then I'm going to give that a good mix. I'm going to put it in the oven for 10 minutes and take it out and toss it around, and then put it back in the oven for 10 more minutes. And while all of that is baking, I got the almonds ready, sliced my lemon, boiling my water. Once that comes to a boil, I added my stock concentrate and my grains. That has to cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. At that time, the vegetables are done. So I'm going to start adding everything to a bowl. So I have my vegetables, my almonds, some cranberries, olive oil, lemon juice, and then my grains have been strained. So I'm going to add those to the container and give it a really good mix. And you always want to season with salt and pepper. And once that has been mixed thoroughly, I have another bowl. I added my arugula, lemon juice, olive oil, and again season with salt and pepper. Then I'm going to mix that together so that all the arugula is coated. And then you can start to assemble your salad. So I'm going to add some arugula to the plate, top it off with some grains and my vegetable mixture. And then I took the block of cheese that they gave me and used a veggie peeler and just kind of shaved off some of that cheese on top. And that's all there is to it. Super good. So if you'd like to try HelloFresh, I have a promo code that will save you $40 off your first order, and I will leave that below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.